Hi, my name is Laura. I work for the Mississauga Library. Today, we are going to have a lot of fun with this experiment. We are going to demonstrate that if we mix a solid and a liquid material, we can actually create a gas. Are you ready? For this experiment, we need some vinegar, some baking soda, an empty plastic bottle of water, a spoon, and a balloon. Let's start by pouring our vinegar into the bottle. We need about ½ cup of vinegar. And you can always ask your mom or your dad to help you with this step. Perfect. Let's leave the bottle aside. Now let's grab our balloon. And this step is easier if you have a funnel handy. I don't have one, so I'm going to make one. You need a small piece of paper like this, a simple piece of paper. And I'm gonna put my finger in one of the corners and just wrap it around my finger, like this. Just make sure that we leave a small hole at the bottom. And then you can just use a small piece of tape just to attach it. We have our funnel. So with the help of the funnel, we're going to put it inside of the balloon, and we are going to scoop 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Make sure that everything goes in. So we have the baking soda in the balloon, we have the vinegar in the bottle. So now let's attach the balloon to the bottle, making sure that it's really tight. Also, don't let this baking soda go into the vinegar, okay? Like this. So now let's count to 3, and we are going to lift the balloon and allow the baking soda to go into the bottle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops. Wow! So the reaction is inflating our balloon. But why does this happen? When we mix a base, that in this case is the baking soda, with an acid, that is the vinegar, the chemical reaction creates a gas. And this gas is also known as carbon dioxide. As the gas tries to leave the water bottle, it doesn't have anywhere to go, but up into the balloon. And because we have the tight seal here, the gas pushes against the balloon and inflates it. Great, right? You can make different combinations, like adding more vinegar or maybe more baking soda, and see what happens. You may have a bigger balloon, maybe a smaller one. So in summary, when we mix a base, that in this case is the solid material, the baking soda, and we add an acid, that is a liquid, the vinegar, the result is a gas. And this gas is also known as, do you remember the name? Yes, you're right, carbon dioxide. Fun, right? Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, check our social media, and the library website. There you will find a lot of information about programs in materials, databases, movies, etc. Thank you for watching. Bye.